Data. It's all around us. It's generated by every online interaction and almost every device with an electric current. 2.5 quintillion bytes of data each day and growing at an ever-accelerating rate. That's where your future comes in. Virtually every business and organization around the world is looking for skilled professionals to help them manage, understand, and best utilize their data. Simplilearn is proud to introduce the postgraduate program in data science in partnership with Purdue University and co-developed with IBM. Launch your career in data science as an analyst, data scientist, or analytics professional and unlock a role where business leaders will be looking to you for answers.
Hello, I'm Jerry McCartney, the Osterly Professor of Information Technology at Purdue University. We've partnered with Simplilearn to bring you this innovative data science program that covers the core concepts and skills needed to launch an exciting career in data science and machine learning. Purdue brings not only over 150 years of academic excellence, but also expertise in data science. In 2018, CIO magazine ranked the Master of Science in Business Analytics and Information Management at Purdue's Krannert School of Management the #1 data science master's degree in the United States.
Our program provides the best elements of traditional classroom education delivered online. This blended learning approach combines self-paced e-learning, online, live instructor-led classes, labs, and projects with a 24/7 TA support and ample peer-to-peer interaction. We focus on applied learning, not passive learning, and make sure you have today's highest demand skills. We've worked closely with IBM to integrate their latest research and curriculum into our co-developed courses. Our partnership includes access to IBM Watson and other related IBM cloud services. When you complete the course, you'll get several IBM certifications and $1,200 worth of IBM cloud credits.
Program graduates will also receive Purdue University alumni status, joining a global community of data professionals.
Today, expertise in data science and machine learning is about more than just mastery of core concepts and analytic constructs. It's also about familiarity with the leading tools and languages, which is why we highlight over a dozen: Python, R, Tableau, and more.
Every step in this program will guide your learning with hands-on projects and real-world case studies. It will culminate with a data science capstone project that you can showcase to potential employers. Designed by industry experts and backed by names you can trust, this program will unlock doors and get you noticed by top employers like Google, Microsoft, and more.
What are you waiting for? Your dream job in data science is out there. Just complete our brief program application and an admissions counselor will walk you through prerequisites and how this program can best meet your specific career objectives.